What is the surface area of the cylinder? This is section 13-1, part 2, finding surface area of cylinders using formulas. Use 3.14 for pi. Round your answer to the nearest tenth of a square foot. So we have a cylinder here, and we're looking for the surface area. Remember, surface area is equal to the lateral area plus 2 times the base. The lateral area plus 2 times the base, okay? So the first thing I want to find is my lateral area. So to determine lateral area, we will need to substitute values into the formula 2 pi RH. Well, looking at my figure, the height is 2 feet. So H equals 2 feet. From the highest point of the figure straight down 90 degrees. And we have been told that this is a right cylinder. So we have a height of 2 feet. Now we were given that your diameter was 10 feet. The distance from one point of the circle, on one side of the circle, through the center to the opposite side of the circle, that's your diameter. To find radius, we take half of 10. 10 divided by 2, therefore my radius is 5 feet, okay? Your radius of a circle is from the center of the circle to a point on the circle. So this is 5. That's a radius, okay? The distance from the center of a circle to a point on the circle. So to find my lateral area, I will have 2 times 3.14 times my radius 5 times my height 2, okay? That's how we'll find the lateral area. So if you multiply all that together, we can multiply all that together and we will end up with lateral area of 62.8. 62.8, okay? And that is feet squared. Lateral area is feet squared. Next, we will need to find the area of a base. Remember, your base is your ceiling and your floor of a cylinder. And we have 2 circles, and they are the same size. So let's find the area of my base. Area of the base. Using your formula from your formula sheet to find the area of a circle, the area of a circle is pi r squared. So area of a circle is equal to pi r squared. So area is equal to pi, using 3.14 times my r. What is the radius of the circle? We found it earlier. The radius is 5. So plugging in 5 squared. 3.14 times 5 squared. Exponents come in the order of operations before multiplication. So I'll need to square 5 first. 5 times 5 gives you 25. All right? We're still multiplying. So we're multiplying 3.14 times 25. When I multiply those together, I have 78.5. Okay? All right. So remember, there's 2 of these circles. There's 2 circles. Okay? So in finding surface area, we use 2 pi RH, and we found to be 62.8 feet squared. That gave me the lateral area, which was the area of the rectangle. Now 2 pi r squared, we have already found the pi r squared, so really we could just say 2 times pi times r squared, which was 25 r squared. I'm just substituting in this step here for this because we've already done pi times r squared. R squared was 25. When we multiplied those 2 numbers together, we got 78.5. Okay, I'm just using this here. Now there's 2 circles. So 2 times 78.5 gives you 157. And that is feet squared. So the area of both of the circles was 78.5, and 2 times that was 157. So I'm still finding my surface area. So this is the lateral area plus the area of the 2 circles, When I add these together, I end up with 219.8 feet squared. 219.8 feet squared. So the surface area of the cylinder is about 219.8. Now I say about because when we use pi as 3.14, that has been rounded. So that has been approximated. So when you're using 3.14, these answers are approximated. So our answer is the surface area is about 219.8.